Okay, let's give you guys some practice now. So integrate this. Find the area of this from 0 to infinity. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, our normal routine has always been to integrate it from 0 to an arbitrary point. Let's call it b. So our normal routine has always been to integrate it from 0 to, let's say, b, and then later on we will allow b to head towards infinity. So to work out this from 0 to infinity, our normal routine has always been to integrate it from 0 to b. So when you integrate this, it will then give you this. So then we will need to put this into here. So that will become negative 2b, and then this whole thing here will then become this, and then we need to put 0 into here. So negative 2 times 0 will be 0. E to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times this thing, it will be a half. But then this whole thing here will then basically give you this. And then now, so now when you integrate it from 0 to b, it gives you this. But now let b head towards infinity. The minute we let b head towards infinity, this thing here, we can then say we are integrating from 0 to infinity. So we can then say we are integrating it from 0 to infinity. And then remember, we're letting b head towards infinity. So we are really taking the limit of this thing, which is what we had earlier here. So we are taking the limit of this thing as b heads towards infinity. So if you look at this thing here, hang on. If you look at this thing here, as b heads towards infinity, this thing here, as b heads towards infinity, you can see it's heading. You can see that this is heading towards 0. So this thing here is going to be 0. 0 divided by 2 will be 0. So as you take the limit as b tends towards infinity, this thing here will be 0. 0 plus a half. This whole thing here will be a half. So when you take the limit as b tends towards infinity, this whole thing here will be a half. So you integrating it from 0 to infinity, it will be a half. So what that means is this. What it means is this. This whole area here, from 0 all the way to infinity, is a half. Meaning it's roughly the size of this triangle here, as you head towards infinity. So the area that we're trying to find out is a half. A half is really this triangle here. Well, the overall answer is a half. Okay.